Hello, everyone, and welcome to The English Beat. I'm Sarah, and I am so happy you decided to spend a few minutes with me today. You know, learning English is like taking a long journey across a very big ocean. Sometimes the water is calm, and sometimes it feels like a storm is coming. But today, we are going to make that journey much more magical. I want to share a secret with you. English isn't just about grammar, it's about stories. And no one tells stories better than Disney. Believe it or not, native speakers use phrases from Disney movies every single day in real life, at work, at home, and with friends. Today, I've found 5 hidden phrases that will make you sound exactly like a native speaker. But before we jump in, I want to see you in the comments. Right now, tell me, which Disney character is most like you? Are you hardworking like Tiana? Or maybe a bit curious like Ariel? Tell me below. I love reading your stories. Phrase number 1. A whole new world. Imagine this. You just bought your first VR headset, or maybe you tried spicy food for the very first time. Your brain is exploding with excitement. In this moment, a native speaker won't just say, "This is new." They will say, "It's a whole new world." This comes from Aladdin, of course. We use it whenever we experience a major change or a brand new technology. It sounds much more emotional and natural. Phrase number 2, just keep swimming. Now, let's get a little serious for a moment. I know that learning English can be frustrating. You study a rule, and then you find 10 exceptions. You want to quit. In those moments, I want you to remember Dory from Finding Nemo. She says, "Just keep swimming." Native speakers use this phrase constantly as a way to say, "Don't give up." If your friend is stressed about a big project at work, just pat them on the shoulder and say, "Hey, just keep swimming." Phrase number 3, let it go. We all know this one. Thanks to Queen Elsa, the phrase "let it go" is everywhere. But in daily English, we don't use it for ice magic. We use it when someone is holding onto anger or a mistake. If your brother is still complaining about a soccer game he lost 3 years ago, you tell him, "Seriously, it's been 3 years. Let it go." Phrase number 4, be our guest. This is the phrase of kindness. In Beauty and the Beast, the dishes and clocks sing this to Belle. In real life, we use it to show extreme hospitality. If you are at a cafe and someone asks, "Is anyone sitting here?" Don't just say, "No." Say, "Be our guest." It sounds sophisticated, welcoming, and very friendly. Phrase number 5, Hakuna Matata. Finally, the king of phrases, Hakuna Matata. It means no worries for the rest of your days. If someone says, "I'm so sorry I'm late," you can reply with a smile, "Hakuna Matata, my friend." It immediately makes the atmosphere relaxed. My dear friends at the English Beat, look at how far you have come. You are listening to a podcast in a second language. That is a superpower. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be you. Thank you for being part of my world today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the English Beat. I'm Sarah, and I'll see you in the next lesson.